Do you want more products in your store? Meet Format My Fuzzy CSV, an app that transforms wholesaler CSV files into a format Shopify accepts. Format My Fuzzy CSV ensures seamless product imports. With Format My Fuzzy CSV you get an intuitive UI for mapping columns, numerous formatting options to customize your data, daily and hourly automatic sync to keep your inventory updated. Plus, it processes up to 500,000 lines for free, so you can import efficiently without limits. With Format My Fuzzy CSV you will enjoy save and reuse mappings to save time, sync from HTTP, FTP, and Google Drive sources. Ask for a feature and it will get done. Sounds exciting? Format My Fuzzy CSV. Ready to add more products and sell? Install now.